Hello everyone. This presentation is titled Analysis of How Psychology and Christianity Relate and the Benefits of Integration Worldview in Developmental Psychology Research. I am Victor Lawrence James, your presenter. This PowerPoint presentation is for PSYC 700 Foundations of Doctoral Study Students, Department of Psychology, Liberty University. The purpose of this presentation is to discuss how psychological science and Christianity relate. The primary focus on this presentation is centered on the benefits of integration worldview in developmental psychology research. First, what is a psychological science? A psychological science deals with all aspects of human behavior and mental processes. Second, who is an integrationist? An integrationist draws on all the rich principles of the scripture to establish an in-depth Christian understanding of human condition, and then employ this knowledge to rebuild, engage, and uses this knowledge to further the cause of psychology in ways that primarily honors God and Jesus Christ. At this point, I would like to shift our gear a little bit to discussing the viewpoint that most aligns to me and the relationship between integration worldview and Christianity. I am fully attracted towards the integration worldview because of the following reasons. First, based on the source of their knowledge. Second, is their source of knowledge being more critical or more trusting to other professionals who are or are not of the Christian faith? Third, is the source of knowledge one that creates distinctive understanding or a universal understanding? Fourth, concerning the primary allegiance of integration worldview, is their primary allegiance to the church or to the community of scholars slash practitioners? And lastly, what is their primary task of psychology? In the next slide, I will elaborate on why I believe integration worldview would be a beneficial way to approach knowledge and truth in developmental psychology research. The viewpoint that most align with me is the integration view because it gives merit to both scientific and Christian faith principles. I firmly believe that science and Christian faith can bolster one another if the primary focus is centered on finding solutions to human behavior and mental problems. The Bible denotes that God made the earth by his power and established the world by his wisdom. By his understanding came forth the heavens. This scripture can be found in Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 12. This scripture mentioned three things created by God. Two of these things are physically present. For instance, the earth and the world. But the third thing is not physically present. It is more of spiritual creation that no human eyes can see. Scientific accomplishments are physically present in psychological science. Also, spiritual healings can be observed in the change in behavior of individuals seeking psychological counseling. Integration view considers every empirical findings/results that can be used in providing aid to individuals who are not religiously inclined. And at the same time, it recognizes the importance of Christian faith counseling in caring for the human soul and body. Integration view can provide patients and the patient's family with a holistic remedy. In conclusion, psychological science deals with all aspects of behavior and mental processes. The integration view acknowledges that Christian faith and its doctrines play important parts in the behavioral aspect of psychology. Johnson 2010 notes that the focus should be centered on Christianity and not on the Bible or Christian theology, because it is an individual faith convictions and commitment to psychology work that can and will improve one's scientific and professional work. This concludes my presentation, and thank you all for listening. Please see references below.